Bro, this shit's scary.
Did something?
They return of the Mac. The Mac is back. What do you do, baby? Back again with another reaction.
Today we got Meat Canyon Railroad, and I'm excited to see it because I saw a little glimpse of the Cars character. What's his name?
Mater?
No, not Mater.
Lightning McQueen.
Lightning McQueen. And then
Mike is uncultured.
I know the character. I just forgot.
But we remember. If you were cultured, you would remember.
It took you two. Shut up.
Oh, it's two characters.
Come on. First, before we get into this video, y'all, it's 6 minutes long.
Ooh. Probably gonna be like 3 minutes
well,
like
yeah.
the Patreons, because the Patreons be back.
But anyway, welcome to Internet City.
Welcome to Internet Culture.
Welcome to the
What It Do crew.
It's been it's been a week. This is VK. He upload consistently right now, and I love it. So let's get into it. Hit that play bar. Yeah, we got Lightning McQueen and Mater at the campfire.
I always forgot how beautiful it can be up here at night.
You sure is right about.
Hold up. Wait a minute. You can tell Meat Canyon has a certain style when it's about to be like.
There might be some shit.
There might be some shit to this one.
That Lightning McQueen.
Sometimes it feels like we're the only two people in the world that know about this spot.
Nah,
Funny you
buddy.
should say that, because I saw a train on my way up here today.
Well, trains are pretty common around these parts. I mean, there's tracks everywhere.
Well, it was downright strange. Wasn't like no train I'd never seen before.
Was it blue? Like a mystical blue. Almost as if the train had become one with the air around it.
Whoa! Oh, yes! I couldn't have said
Telling
it
me my
any
nigga
better
Thomas
myself,
evil?
Lightning. Man, that's exactly what it looked like.
It's that
When
creepy
I had
music
that wreck a
too.
while back.
Oh boy, I remember. We all didn't think you were gonna make it out alive.
It's pretty weird. When I had the wreck, I had such an odd dream. It was a strange feeling. It was a place I've never seen before.
Oh, shit.
Felt as if I'd spent a lifetime there.
He was damn
The
near
only
dead.
resemblance from the normal world was the sound of a train coming my way. I felt fear more than anything.
Me too.
Though it was the sound of a train, it
You hear that heartbeat?
felt like a thunderstorm. Like an earthquake was going to destroy the ground around me. And I would fall into a sea of nothingness. All I could do was anxiously hold my breath and brace for impact.
Fuck is going
But the
on?
impact never came. Instead, a smiling face appeared, melting from the
That
darkness.
nigga creepy.
Pale and cold, screeched forward on its tracks, only to stop right in front of me.
Okay.
It was as if I'd never spoken a single word in my life. I couldn't conjure a single sentence to say to him. But the train finally spoke.
Bro, this shit's
creepy,
scary.
ain't it?
It's scary as
I
hell.
don't know why, but I pictured that train's face being Meat Canyon's profile picture. I don't know why. I don't
This
know why.
is scary as hell, bro.
And I can still hear his voice in my mind.
The sound design is crazy.
I have seen past the farthest star, and I have gone to the edges of the earth. I can take you there, if you so choose.
It's that Eddie and Eddie shit.
I can give you all the things you never knew you wanted. Taste from the tallest chalice.
Nigga.
Mine the this I can give you and more. Just for your soul.
I asked back to him, what of life after death? What of the paradises that await me in heaven above? The train did not look to me. It didn't make a single sound. Through all the steam and moving parts controlling this demonic vessel,
What the fuck is
its
going
only
on?
reply was,
Drain of woes. Your God has turned his back on you. That's why my tracks still push me forward.
Wait, what did he say?
I don't know, but it's creepy as hell. Something about going forward in time. Demons being summoned to Yu-Gi-Oh! I don't know. Nigga, this is scary. I don't want to finish. I don't want to finish this shit.
till its only reply was,
Drain of woes. Your God has turned his back on you.
Something's turned his back.
Why my tracks still push me forward.
That's why my track still pushing me forward.
my body was afraid. Something new and unknown. May it be death? May it be hardship? Suddenly I woke from this nightmare.
Wow. I tell you what, that's downright
You
horrifying.
damn right.
Well, I haven't really slept well since then.
Oh, come on, Lightning. It's just a train. Nothing to be afraid of out here.
I know you're right. There's nothing to be afraid of now.
That's that shit.
I ain't never seen somebody make Thomas the Thomas. I ain't never seen somebody make this nigga intimidating and scary.
That's what I'm
This
saying.
nigga meat, bro. I love this nigga, but this
He
nigga
has
creepy.
a dark, I feel like he has a dark past that he don't want nobody to know about.
I buried a man outside of Waterburger in East Texas.
There's a man buried under my
Oh.
drawing pad.
God damn. Alright, that's creepy as hell.
It just sent the tingle down your spine and then
And then when you listen to it on high volume, all the beats make your heart beat. I almost had an asthma attack.
that's gonna do it, y'all.
Peace
Shout
out.
out, yeah, peace.
Oh, shout out to our Patreon.
Yeah.
This Patreon's going stupid.
Stupid.
Jesus
y'all.
Christ. Peace, y'all.